How would you like your tools to be that sharp? I think sharpening is one of the most important aspects to hand tool woodworking. As my tools become dull, I've found that the quality of my work also goes down. So therefore, it is extremely important that your tools are razor sharp. In this video series, we're going to go over sharpening all edge tools, including chisels, planes, scrapers. We're also going to go over how to sharpen a crosscut saw, a rip saw. We're going to talk about the different stones that are used, from water stones, oil stones, diamond stones, and which one I prefer. We'll recondition tools. We'll talk about how to restore a chisel, a saw, and a plane. We'll even talk about getting a tool fresh out of the box and how to get it working just like this. So I hope you can join us for this video series on sharpening.